Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 25th, 2025, and this is one of the tomato plants that my dad transplanted into the 5-gallon bucket. Now this was one of the ones that was started in a container. It was not started. He did the video on it where he was showing the difference between the container tomato seedlings and the tomato seedlings that were started in the soil blocking. So you can see here, this one here did start blooming and it has been moved outside. It's been moved outside for a while now. And we've been having up and down weather, pouring down rain, wind, all different kinds of stuff. So this tomato is showing the weather that it's been through on its leaves. You can see the leaves are pretty battered there. But it did start blooming, so hopefully we'll have some fresh tomatoes soon. The tomatoes did get planted in the garden. They got in late because of how much rain we had. I'll show you the other tomato plant that he transplanted. And this is the other one here. You can see this one here is just starting to bloom. This is the early girl tomato here. It has been staked and it was tied. And these do have crushed up eggshells in the soil down there to give the plant calcium. It's one of the things that we do with our tomato plants here. And the sun really hasn't been shining much. And with all the rain, it's kind of washing the food out of the soil there. But this is growing in a 5-gallon bucket here. Does need some pruning done to it. So you can grow your tomatoes in buckets. Like I said, this isn't a 5-gallon bucket. There's different size containers that you can grow your vegetables in. You don't have to have a big area. You don't have to put them out in your yard. You can grow them in buckets and different containers. We have potatoes growing over here. And you can see the potato plants here. Some of these are blooming. That's an indication that they have produced the potatoes. So they weren't taken out yet. No one's dug around in the soil. We did a few things different. So what my dad did this year, this is his project. He had started it in the greenhouse and then he had moved it outside. He did this with the potatoes and he did it with the tomato plants here. But this year for the potatoes, he took a pipe and he cut it and he drilled holes, I don't know if you can see them in there, all down through the sides. And as it's being watered, the water seeps out into the soil. Because what we found out what happened last year is the water was not getting the soil wet enough. So with this right here, and with all the rain that we've been having, these have been getting plenty of water. You can see that their soil is nice and moist there. So there's quite a lot of different ways that you can grow vegetables. Herbs are great for growing in containers. You can grow them in... You can grow herbs in containers. We grow our cucumbers, which I'll show you over here, in containers. And you can see our cucumbers here are growing in hanging baskets in the greenhouse here. You can grow all different types of vegetables. There are some squash and zucchini plants that you can grow in containers if you get your container big enough. You'll see on some of the packs where they'll say like container friendly, and they'll give you a recommendation for how large of a container you would need. So here's some more potato plants over here growing. And there's all different kinds of stuff that you can grow in containers for your vegetables. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!